Last year, when I was fossil hunting at the red clay sand quarry in Lithuania, I was lucky enough to find this quite big beautiful but unfortunately a partial ammonite. Even though the split was perfect, the piece of concretion is too big to put on my display shelf, so it was laying in the box long enough, and it's time to put this baby on my display. This piece is my most valuable ammonite from Lithuania. Luckily, risk of damaging or destroying it was minimal, and it will be a great practice for me for the future more complicated fossil preps. The plan is to give this piece a little bit more 3D look and shape matrix to be just right to put on the display. I am using paleozoic chisel tip for the Dremel Engraver. It cuts through this hard matrix like a butter. They have variety of tips for budget fossil preps with Dremel. So far I'm very happy with their products and gonna get myself more tips for precise work in the future. These ammonites from red clay sand quarry are extremely beautiful with all the pearlescence still on the fossil. Pearlescence is the only original material from the animal, everything else is rock. I will have to return to that quarry to get more specimens for preps, since I do enjoy the process of extracting fossil from the rock. It's satisfying and interesting activity. And now time has come to remove the not needed matrix from the piece, so it doesn't take so much space on the shelf, and in this task Tomek came to help me using stone cutting disc. After that I did remove scratches from chiseling using Dremel rotatory tool. So yeah, what can I say? I did this piece a little bit more 3D because the matrix was covering to this point, and yeah, we did cut the corners so it would stand and be a little bit more presentable as a display piece. And yeah, this was just a practice for me before future preparations. There wasn't any dangerous things to destroy in this piece. Maybe I could have removed a little bit more rock from this side, maybe this wall corner, I'm not even sure, but I decided to leave this tiny brachiopods in here besides it. And yeah, I do like this ammonite a lot. The colors are gorgeous. The pearlescence is fantastic in the specimen. Too bad it's not complete. It did split very well, but as you can see from the side, this was the end of the rock. So it was missing from the very start. I didn't destroy it while splitting. Still very happy. Very nice piece. Extremely nice colors. colors show up a lot better on the pictures. So yeah, this is it for the video. I hope you did enjoy it and will leave a like on it, and subscribe to the channel if you want more fossils related content. I upload content regularly, at least one video per week, at Fridays usually. And now, bye, thanks for watching and see you next time.